The natural world never ceases to amaze. From towering trees to microscopic organisms, life on Earth displays a breathtaking array of diversity. Each species, shaped by millions of years of evolution, possesses unique adaptations that allow it to thrive in its environment. These adaptations, often strange and unexpected, are a testament to the power of natural selection. The animal kingdom, in particular, is replete with examples of mind-blowing adaptations. Animals have evolved astonishing ways to find food, evade predators, and reproduce. Some adaptations are purely physical, such as the powerful beak of a toucan or the camouflage of a chameleon. Others are behavioral, like the complex communication of dolphins or the migratory patterns of birds. Consider the axolotl, a peculiar species of salamander found in the lakes of Mexico. These lakes, such as Lake Xochimilco, provide a unique habitat for the axolotl, allowing it to thrive in an environment that is both rich in biodiversity and steeped in history. This unassuming creature possesses an almost mythical ability. It can regenerate lost limbs. Imagine losing an arm or a leg and having it grow back perfectly just as it was before. If an axolotl loses a leg, tail, or even part of its heart, it can simply grow it back. This process is not only fascinating but also incredibly efficient, with the new limb or organ functioning just as well as the original. This remarkable ability, known as regeneration, is found in other animals like starfish and lizards, which can regrow their arms and tails respectively. But the axolotl takes it to another level. Its regenerative capabilities are more advanced and versatile, allowing it to regenerate not just limbs but also complex tissues and organs. Scientists believe the axolotl's regenerative prowess lies in its cell's ability to revert to a stem cell-like state. This means that the cells can transform into any type of cell needed for regeneration. Stem cells are undifferentiated cells that have the potential to develop into any type of cell in the body. This unique characteristic is what makes them so valuable in the field of regenerative medicine. By somehow reactivating these stem cells, the axolotl can regrow lost tissues with incredible precision. The process is so precise that the new tissue is indistinguishable from the original. Researchers are studying the axolotl's regenerative abilities in the hope of one day applying this knowledge to human medicine. If we can unlock the secrets of the axolotl, we may be able to develop treatments that allow humans to regenerate lost or damaged tissues, potentially revolutionizing the field of medicine and offering new hope to patients with severe injuries or degenerative diseases. The axolotl's limb regeneration is just one example of the countless adaptations that animals have evolved to survive in a challenging world. Animals face a constant struggle for existence. They must find ways to cope with extreme temperatures, avoid predators, and secure enough food and water. Those that fail to adapt are quickly eliminated by the unforgiving hand of natural selection. Over millions of years, animals have evolved a dazzling array of adaptations to overcome these challenges. Some adaptations are obvious, like the sharp claws of a predator or the camouflage of prey. Others are more subtle, like the ability to see in the dark or the development of poison for defense. In the frigid landscapes of the Arctic, animals have evolved remarkable adaptations to withstand the cold. Polar bears, for example, have a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin that acts as insulation. They also have a dense fur coat that traps heat and keeps them warm even in sub-zero temperatures. Arctic foxes have similarly adapted to the cold. Their fur changes color with the seasons, providing camouflage in both summer and winter. In winter, their fur turns white, blending in with the snow and making it difficult for predators to spot them. In summer, their fur turns brown, matching the rocks and vegetation. Section 5. The desert's endurance. At the other extreme, animals living in deserts have evolved ways to conserve water and stay cool in the scorching heat. Camels, for instance, can go for days without water thanks to their ability to store large amounts of water in their humps. They also have thick fur that insulates them from the heat during the day and keeps them warm at night. Desert foxes have large ears that help them to dissipate heat. The blood vessels in their ears dilate, allowing heat to escape into the air. They also have a specialized kidney that allows them to produce highly concentrated urine, minimizing water loss. Section 6. The immortal jellyfish. Some adaptations seem to defy the very laws of nature. The immortal jellyfish, for instance, possesses an astonishing ability. it can revert to its polyp stage after reaching maturity, effectively making it biologically immortal. When faced with starvation, injury, or other environmental stresses, the immortal jellyfish can transform its cells back into their youthful state. This remarkable process, known as transdifferentiation, allows the immortal jellyfish to essentially turn back the clock on its own aging. While this doesn't make the immortal jellyfish truly immortal, it can still die from predation or disease. It does give it a remarkable advantage in the game of survival. Section 7. Masters of Disguise. In the vast and diverse animal kingdom, the art of camouflage is a vital survival skill. Many creatures have evolved to blend seamlessly into their environments, making them nearly invisible to both predators and prey. Camouflage is a common adaptation in the animal kingdom, allowing animals to blend in with their surroundings and avoid detection by predators or prey. From the chameleon, which can change its skin color to match its environment, to the stick insect that looks just like a twig, and the Arctic fox whose white fur blends perfectly with the snowy landscape, these animals have mastered the art of disguise. The mimic octopus, however, takes camouflage to a whole new level. Found in the tropical waters of Southeast Asia, this incredible creature has developed an extraordinary ability to not just blend in, but to actively mimic other sea creatures. This master of disguise can change its shape, color, and even behavior to imitate other dangerous animals. It can transform its body to look like a variety of marine species, effectively confusing predators and potential threats. The mimic octopus can change the texture of its skin to match the surrounding coral or rocks. This ability allows it to hide in plain sight, making it nearly impossible for predators to spot it. It can also change its color in an instant, mimicking the patterns and shades of its surroundings. This rapid color change is not just for hiding. It can also be used to communicate with other octopuses or to startle predators. But its most impressive trick is its ability to imitate the movements and behaviors of other animals. This form of mimicry is not just about appearance. It involves complex behaviors that can deceive even the most observant predators. It can flatten its body and undulate like a venomous sea snake, a behavior that deters many would-be attackers who fear the snake's deadly bite. Or it can puff up its arms and sway like a poisonous lionfish, a tactic that makes it appear more threatening and less palatable to predators. The mimic octopus is truly a marvel of nature, showcasing the incredible adaptability and ingenuity of life in the ocean. Section 8. The tardigrade's resilience. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is a microscopic animal that is renowned for its incredible resilience. This tiny creature can survive extreme conditions that would be fatal to most other life forms. Tardigrades can withstand temperatures ranging from near absolute zero to well above the boiling point of water. They can also survive extreme pressure, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Their secret lies in their ability to enter a state of suspended animation called cryptobiosis. In this state, their metabolism slows to a near standstill, and they can survive for decades without food or water. Section 9. The platypus's sixth sense. The platypus, a bizarre mammal native to Australia, possesses a truly unique adaptation, electroreception. This sixth sense allows the platypus to detect the faint electric fields generated by the muscle contractions of its prey. This ability is particularly useful in murky water, where its eyesight is limited. The platypus has specialized electroreceptors in its bill that can detect even the smallest electrical impulses. These electroreceptors work in tandem with the platypus's sensitive bill to locate prey hidden in mud or under rocks. The platypus's electroreception is so acute that it can even detect the electrical fields generated by the heartbeat of its prey. Section 10. A world of adaptations. These are just a few examples of the countless mind-blowing adaptations found in the animal kingdom. Animals have evolved in extraordinary ways to survive and thrive in their environments. From the regenerative abilities of the axolotl, which can regrow entire limbs and even parts of its heart and brain, to the electric senses of the platypus, which uses electroreception to hunt for prey in murky waters, the diversity of life on Earth never ceases to amaze. Each species has developed unique traits that allow it to adapt to its specific habitat. Each adaptation, shaped by millions of years of evolution, tells a story of survival and change. These adaptations are a testament to the power of natural selection, where only the fittest survive and pass on their genes to the next generation. The study of animal adaptations not only deepens our understanding of the natural world, revealing the intricate balance of ecosystems, but also inspires new technologies and innovations. Biomimicry, the practice of learning from and mimicking nature's designs, has led to breakthroughs in various fields. By studying the ways in which animals have solved complex problems, such as finding food, avoiding predators, and reproducing, we can gain insights that may help us to address challenges in fields such as medicine, engineering, and materials science. For instance, the study of spider silk has led to the development of stronger and more flexible materials. The natural world is a vast source of inspiration, and by continuing to explore and understand these adaptations, we can unlock new possibilities for innovation and problem-solving in our own lives. Section 11. A call to explore. The natural world is a treasure trove of wonder and inspiration. As we continue to explore the planet, we are constantly discovering new and amazing adaptations that challenge our understanding of what is possible. The more we learn about the natural world, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. So let us continue to explore, to learn, and to marvel at the incredible diversity of life on Earth.